Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Bonk Update today. And I think that Bonk is about to get green next week. We are about to get back there. Now, number one clue that we're probably about to see Bonk moving to the upside is because this candle is a reversal candle, and you can see that it's almost pretty much like a pin bar, and it's a reversal bullish pin bar. So in 80-90% of the cases, you actually reverse and go back up to the upside. I'm actually glad that we ended up winning 41% win with Luna Classic on the private, which was sweet. So 5th of August, back 6 days ago, we entered Luna Classic, and eventually it paid off after some few days. It was almost like intraday trade, I may say, actually, or maybe a little bit of like a very quick swing trade, where we had to wait some few couple of days before we do not get our reward out there. So if you want to be a part of Discord, you can check the comment section. I have given you the invitation link for absolutely free of cost. Now I want to get back into the smaller time frames, and I want to check how the smaller time frames are probably looking like. So we're going to go on and take the trend line at the moment. So I do think eventually Bonk is meant to really break above here and actually go and continue to the upside. And one more thing is I'm going to take the trend line as well, and it's almost as if we are trying to print an ascending triangle at the moment. So by 12th of August, which is probably 24 hours from now, we have to see the next move and eventually try to continue to go to the upside. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see the next one, Lofis.